and Kid. Episode 7. Goose. But friend Goose was visiting. Bud and Goose talk about bird things. I love flying, said Bud. Hawk, said Goose. We love flying, hawk, hawk. He was not a bird. He was a chipmunk, so he can't talk about bird things. Bud and Goose talked and talked. Kip stood lonely by the pond. He skipped stood on the water. But then Goose jumped into the water. She made a big splash. Honk, honk, she said. Pat me, honk. People came over to the pond. They took plates of bread to Goose. Honk, honk, said Goose. I don't like Goose, said Kip. She's too big and too loud. I think I'll go somewhere else. Kip wandered away from the pond. Then he walked out of the park. Bud and Goose didn't even know